Is YouTube better than Twitch, or is Twitch better than YouTube when it comes to live streaming? Let's talk about it. I've been streaming on Twitch for a few years now personally, but I've been messing around with YouTube's live stream platform for about as long, if not longer. Okay, so the reason I did this is because I've been working on building my YouTube channels up. I have two of them. I have Dozzy Gaming and Flindozzy. The gaming channel obviously is gaming content, and then the channel you're watching now is Flindozzy, and that's more of like lifestyle, tech, vlog kind of content, where I really get to do, this is the kind of stuff I enjoy a lot more of. To me, gaming it's easy views. I think this content is where I really enjoy creating. And so because my Twitch streams are primarily gaming streams, and my gaming channel has been growing decently. We're at 200 subscribers now, and that's just within the last few weeks. We grew like 30 subscribers or so. I decided I would try streaming on YouTube to see how that impacts my streams. And maybe helps me get better or progress forward. But I also wanted to really know which platform is the better platform between Twitch and YouTube. So I took some time to look at the data. I took some time to look at like the after stream summaries, the post stream summaries. I asked my chat, which experience do you enjoy more? And it actually worked out really well because for the last few weeks, I've been streaming almost every single day on Twitch. And so it's been really cool because I've had a lot of the same people come over to YouTube that I've had on Twitch. Downside is it's been a lot of the same people on YouTube that are on Twitch. So I don't really feel like the discoverability, at least for me as a much smaller creator right now, was that vastly different. The biggest difference I noticed as far as discoverability goes was I have people that have subscribed to my channel on YouTube that are not followers on Twitch, and I did have some of them pop into my YouTube stream. So I thought that was pretty neat. It was cool to kind of connect with them and get to have a more real-time interaction than them leaving a comment on a short or a video I post and then I respond to it. One of the biggest things I noticed is, and I noticed from my side and my viewers noticed, is the quality of my streams on YouTube looked so much better. I noticed for me, when I stream on Twitch, OBS sometimes pops up and says encoding overloaded, blah, blah, blah. But on YouTube, I never had that problem. I didn't seem to really have as many frame drops on YouTube as I do sometimes on Twitch. It just all felt smoother. My chat said the YouTube stream looked pretty crispy and clear, and I take a lot of pride in having a clear stream, so I was pretty encouraged by that. YouTube definitely seems to top Twitch for quality. Now, the one thing that my chat kept coming back to that they really wrestled with was the chat and viewer experience on YouTube live streams versus Twitch live streams. So I use Stream Elements for a lot of my stream, my commands and chat interaction and things like that. And I could not get Stream Elements to work properly with YouTube. Now, yeah, some of that's probably user error, but frankly, it just wasn't as intuitive as Twitch. When I originally set up Stream Elements with Twitch, it was as easy as logging in with my Twitch account, boom, it's ready to go. More or less did the same thing with YouTube, and I could never get Stream Elements to really kick in like I wanted. And I use the Stream Elements plugin for OBS just for, I like the layout of it. I like the interface. So I was pretty disappointed that that didn't work. They did like that I didn't have ads. That was a huge plus for some of my viewers on Twitch who aren't subscribed to my channel. They loved that they didn't have to watch ads on YouTube. Now I want to pause here because I did have someone ask me, would you consider multi-streaming or why not multi-stream? Biggest reason I'm not multi-streaming right now is I don't have the equipment to do it. I've got this PC, she's great, but I game on her and stream on this PC at the same time. So I didn't really feel like I'm at the point where I'm ready to multi-stream. A lot of people said use Restream, but I don't want the Restream overlays and branded watermarks on my stream videos and my VODs. And so I chose to just do one and then the other, because I don't want to pay for Restream right now. I'm just not at a point where I'm comfortable streaming on Twitch and YouTube simultaneously. I think I've got to grow my YouTube channel more, and I've got to do some things differently with Twitch. I do think that I will still continue to do a little short stream on YouTube and then switch over to Twitch. I just feel like more of my community's on Twitch, and it's a big move to YouTube. And yeah, there's a financial incentive. My Twitch content is monetized. I'm trying to get YouTube to where I can get memberships or have memberships on YouTube and then eventually monetize my content with ads. We have a long way to go, so we'll appreciate your support on that. Let's go. I'm not too shy to shake you down right now in the middle of a video on Twitch versus YouTube. I'm a Twitch streamer. That's what we do. The other thing that I really was frustrated about with YouTube is there's not like a great clip download option. So on Twitch, you can mark your stream, then you can go onto Twitch, you can download your clips, or you can edit them right in Twitch and then push them to YouTube and TikTok. and that's great. I like to sometimes get a little more creative with my clips, so I'll download them from Twitch and then edit them. And a lot of the time I can do that as soon as my stream's done. There wasn't a great option to do that with YouTube. I could mark clips, I could edit them within YouTube and then post them and share them to my YouTube, but I couldn't download them easily to my computer to edit. Now I know there's all kinds of software and websites out there that you can download your clips from YouTube and you can download your videos from YouTube, or you can wait a day or two for YouTube to compress it all and put it together. The post-stream quality of YouTube, the live stream, real-time quality of YouTube was amazing. I just did not feel like the quality was that great when I would download using an external source from YouTube. I actually had more success screen capturing my YouTube content and then editing it that way than downloading it from YouTube. And that just seems like a lot of extra work to edit my clips and get them uploaded. So I just wasn't that thrilled with it. YouTube, definitely a longer road to get monetized. I don't think that's necessarily a knock. I think Twitch can be too easy. Like honestly, it's super easy to get Twitch affiliate. Like I know people that they would set up 3 devices with different Twitch accounts to get the viewer count up on Twitch. The hardest part of Twitch is getting the followers, but you could argue that about YouTube. Honestly though, YouTube, it's not bad to get subscribers. Every time I post a gaming short, just about every time I post a gaming short, I get a few new subscribers on YouTube. Once you get to that YouTube monetization, it's a 70-30 split, which is a big deal. But when you're getting more memberships versus Twitch subscriptions, that gap of 70-30 and 50-50 definitely gets wider. So while it's a longer journey to get monetized on YouTube maybe than Twitch, it's really not as complicated as people think. And that's part of why I'm streaming on YouTube more, is to really build up the watch hours and subscribers on YouTube and just create a better store, a library of content for people to enjoy once they really vibe with something else I've posted. Conversations on Twitch with fellow chatters feels more organic, but the UI on YouTube seems more simple and easy to use. So one of the things that my chat shared, they really like about Twitch is you can reply directly to a chat comment or just someone in chat. You can click right next to them and there's like a reply to button to reply directly to a comment. On YouTube, you had to do, shift to @ and then type their name. And so it just wasn't as fluid for my chat to communicate and engage with one another. And for me as a creator, it's really important that I'm building a community with my chat, that my chat is like engaging with one another and not just with me. And so that was one thing my chat kind of complained about. Some of them did say that they actually do like the YouTube UI a little more. It wasn't like the best thing ever for them. As far as just the experience, and some of it they admitted to that they're new to YouTube. They don't really watch YouTube live streams. They watch VODs and like this kind of content, long form content, more than live stream content on YouTube. So, take it with a grain of salt. One of the cool things that I did like on YouTube though, is it archives your VODs and organizes them with other videos. So Twitch really breaks everything out. The algorithm on YouTube works online and offline. So if people are vibing with your content on YouTube, YouTube is going to push your content to more people. Whereas Twitch, there's just the discoverability is still not there. You have to go to the browse feature, then you have to go to, browse by category, then you have to scroll through categories, and you have to find tags and all these things. Whereas YouTube, you can literally just type in game streamer Fortnite and it'll pull up whatever. So I do like that YouTube definitely seems more, it utilizes SEO for titles, search engine optimization. So it definitely is a little more in favor of you. I do think though, one of the things I wrote down is for people who are already used to Twitch, Twitch is definitely their preference. But for new people to the stream, they would probably prefer the YouTube experience, just because they're already used to YouTube, they're already on YouTube. So having to go from YouTube to Twitch, if you're trying to get in new organic viewers, it's going to be a lot easier for them to go to this dude's live stream now than to tap twitch.tv, search in my name, because also Twitch's search function is not great. So I'm a big data guy. I love reading the analytics. I love looking at the stream metrics and all those things and figuring out all the different data, what it tells me, how I can learn from it. Twitch, you always get a little post-stream summary, and it's a cute little thing. It says you got this many subs, you streamed for this long, you had this many viewers, that was great, you maxed at this many. YouTube though has so much more to offer as far as their analytics go. Like, it goes in depth. It'll tell you what people were searching to find when they found your video. It'll tell you how many people are coming back from other content you've posted. It'll tell you like what other content are people coming from to yours, like what's boosting. Like, I saw one of my videos I posted recently on YouTube. It's been showing up on this other dude's YouTube. like on the suggestions and recommendations, because I honestly think because I have a beard, I'm a white guy with a beard and he's a white guy with a beard, and you know, he maybe looks a little like me. So I don't know if like YouTube is seeing the similarity, the algorithm seeing the similarity in thumbnails. I don't know if that's how it works, but it's just funny that that's how it's working. YouTube's algorithm, the analytics are just so much better. Like, it was cool to see what kind of content is out there that's pushing people to my content. So YouTube versus Twitch. I really, everyone is either pro Twitch or anti Twitch. I could go either way with it. I'll probably keep streaming on Twitch. I plan to keep streaming on Twitch just because I have a really great chat there and I've really built up my community. But if I ever get to a point where YouTube seems to be going exponentially better than Twitch, and you know, I like the idea of that happening, I would consider moving to YouTube away from Twitch. What's cool about Twitch is I have like a handful of people that are regular subscribers on Twitch. And so, you know, there is that like kind of consistent income and support from them. But what's been cool is all those people that are my faithful viewers on Twitch, subs on Twitch, they all came to the YouTube streams when I went live. And that's really at the core of it. You got to stream where it's best for you, where you're growing. If you're starting out and you've been doing YouTube content, I recommend you staying on YouTube. If you're starting out and you just want to live stream and that's it, you don't want to do any other content, just do it on Twitch and TikTok. But if you're like me, where you want to create different kinds of content and really kind of utilize different platforms for their advantages, I'd use both. I'm using both for now. And until the day that one becomes significantly better for me than the other, I'll keep using both. I find a lot of value in both. But I would love to hear your comments. Why Twitch? Why YouTube? Why not both? Why not either? If you're a Kick person, that's totally cool. Personally, haven't streamed on Kick yet. Maybe we'll have to try that out and see how it goes. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Would love to hear your thoughts below. This was a long one, but if you learned anything, if you enjoyed what we talked about, I'd appreciate a like. We're working on more content like this. I'm doing 30 days of vlogging, morning thoughts, and then I'm gonna do 30 days of tech reviews. So got a lot of fun content planned for this channel. So definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss. But other than that, hey, we'll see you in the next one. Peace, baby. I love you.